Non-standard electrochemical toxic gas sensors are toxic gas sensors other than CO or H2S. The recommended calibration frequency for non-standard toxic sensors is 3 to 6 months. Press the Shift Down button while simultaneously pressing the Display Adjust button to enter the calibration mode. Then select the single calibration option. At the single calibration screen, scroll down to the appropriate gas, then press the Enter button. Screw the calibration cylinder to the regulator. Next, connect the tubing to the regulator. Now connect the tubing from the regulator to the EELS probe. As the gas is being applied to the instrument, allow approximately 2 minutes for the reading to stabilize. If necessary, use the up and down buttons to adjust the reading to match the concentration listed on the calibration cylinder. Press the Enter button to set the span value. The message Single Calibration End displays, followed by the Single Calibration menu. Disconnect the tubing from the probe. Unscrew the calibration cylinder from the regulator. With a single calibration menu displayed, press the down button until the prompt is next to the last channel. Then press the down button again to reach the escape menu option. Press the Enter button to return to the calibration menu. Now scroll to the normal operation menu option and press the Enter button to return to the normal operation screen. If you are unable to match the reading to the concentration of the cylinder, you will need to adjust the sensor controls. Only perform these steps if you are unable to set the correct calibration reading with the up or down buttons. Before exiting the single calibration mode, use the up or down buttons to set the reading to the middle of the range in which you can currently adjust. For example, if you can set the reading from a minimum of 0 ppm to a maximum of 2 ppm, set the display to 1 ppm. Unscrew the 2 large screws on the top of the case, then carefully lift the top of the case and lay it aside. Locate the sensor in the front half of the bottom case. The sensor with wires connected to EC3 on the analog PC board displays its reading on the 3rd line of the display screen. The sensor connected to EC4 on the analog PC board displays its reading on the 4th line of the display screen. To make adjustments with the sensor controls, first find the span control. The span control is located next to the sensor on the side closest to the front of the instrument. Adjust the sensor span control 1 turn and observe the display reading. Continue to adjust the span control until the display reading matches the concentration of the calibration cylinder. Press the Enter button to set the span value. Single calibration end will then display and you'll return to the single calibration menu. Next, disconnect the tubing from the probe. Unscrew the calibration cylinder from the regulator. With the single calibration menu displayed, press the down button until the prompt is next to escape. Then press the Enter button to return to the calibration menu. Press the down button to place the prompt next to the normal operation menu option, and press the Enter button again to return to the normal operation screen.